Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, then welcome. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. So right now I'm going to take my Zulu palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to use that raspberry looking color and blend that all in my crease. So using the same palette, I'm going to take that orange and I'm going to pat and blend that on top of that raspberry color.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it, and you may have some history.
Using the same palette, I'm going to take that yellow and I'm going to pat and blend that on my brow bone.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
Next, I'm going to use my Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte in the color medium, and I'm just going to pat that on my lid. That will be my eyeshadow base. Then I'm going to take my flat head brush and I'm just going to blend that out to create a cut crease. Voila y'all, magic. Next, I'm going to use that shimmery light blue and I'm just going to blend that in my crease.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Okay y'all, next I'm going to use that turquoise blue and I'm going to pat and blend that in my lid and in my crease. Next, I'm going to take that same turquoise color and I'm going to blend that on my lower lid and my waterline. Next, I'm going to take my white gold pigment by J. LaRue Cosmetics and I'm going to blend that in the corner of my eye onto my lid. So if y'all have been watching my other tutorials, then you will know that this is my favorite black liner by Tarte. To finish off this look, I'm just going to create a wing. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte mascara.
Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a
Sis, she ready? Yes. Okay, girl. Go ahead. So y'all already know, I always use my ABH concealer in 6.0 to highlight my whole face.
patience, so won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
Okay, y'all. Listen very closely. When you are done highlighting and it's time for this blending, you need to make sure you blend till your fingers hurt. I'm taking my favorite beauty blender from Real Techniques and I'm just going to blend my highlight out, girl, so you won't be looking like a ghost and you will be flashback approved. So to contour my face, I am using my ABH actually it's a foundation stick in the color Truffle. Next, I'm going to use that G30 Morphe brush to blend out my contour. Guys, I am so sorry how fast this tutorial is, but if you look in either the left or right hand corner, you will see a little eye that will direct you to another tutorial of mine, and that's where I go detailed in how I do my face in this more slow pace. But if you guys would like a detailed video about how to highlight and contour your face, leave me a comment down below in the comment section. And now I'm going in with my Trophy Wife highlighter from Fenty, and I'm going to take that cute little fan brush I got from Morphe, and I'm going to highlight my face so I can glow, sis. Next, I'm going to use my READY.SET.RADIANT setting spray by Tarte, and I'm just going to spray that all over my face. Surprise, sis! Thank y'all for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Yes, go ahead, sis, and slay. Oh, okay, y'all see them lashes? But anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure your notifications are on so you can know when I post my next video. And as we will say together, oh, okay, girl. Okay, go ahead, slay. All right, okay. And I'm gonna see y'all later.